Hi, me loves! For the past years of working as a makeup artist and as an educator, I've been dealing with back pain and this super nakakainis na headaches. And alam nyo na, hours of standing, bending over my clients, kaya ayan, ang sakit talaga ng likod ko, besh. So today, I finally decided it's time to take care of me. Kaya tara, samahan nyo ako as I visit Fit and Well Spa to get some much needed relaxation and of course, professional care. So let's see if this will be my new self-care haven. Ready? Let's go. So here, they also offer low-carb drinks and soon pati food na rin daw para sa mga health conscious. Because here at Fit and Well Health and Wellness Center, hindi lang daw basta pahinga. This is also a sanctuary where healing meets peak performance. Here, you don't just recover, you recharge, you restore, and you rise. O, diba? Pak! Kaya naman, pinasok muna namin habang hinihintay pa yung mga ibang kasama para ma-check kung ano pa yung ino-offer nilang services. Grabe, I didn't realize na dito sa Fit and Well Spa, they offer full-service wellness para sa lahat ng gustong magpagaling, magpahinga, magbawas ng timbang o i-level up ang physical performance nila. So, from relaxation to recovery, they've got you covered. So, una namin ginawa, of course, is magpa-consult kay Doc Joseph. Siya yung owner ng spa. Ang galing niyang mag-explain as in talagang iniisa-isa niya kung ano yung mga current condition ng katawan namin and kung ano yung mga steps na kailangan namin gawin para mas maging effective at mabilis yung recovery. Very detailed siya pero sobrang relatable ng explanation kaya maiintindihan mo talaga. At pagpasok mo pa lang sa loob, makikita mo sobrang daming bed, very peaceful ng vibes. Kahit pumunta kayo ng maramihan, they can accommodate you. So ayun na nga, pina-experience din sa amin yung steam therapy and grabe, ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Sabi nga nila, kung gusto mong gumanda ang balat, ma-relax ang muscle tightness at lalo na kung hirap ka makatulog dahil insomniac ka, this might just be the answer. Sauna therapy. Grabe, totoo palang nakakagaan ng katawan and you will literally feel your stress melting away. Ayan o, ang dami naming pawis na lumabas. So now I'm excited kung ano na ang susunod nilang gagawin. Sobrang sulit nga dito dahil parang VIP ka talaga. Grabe guys, yung toilet and bath nila para kang nasa Greece. Talagang they did an effort talaga with this interior. Me loves, did I mention? They have certified therapies talaga as in legit ha. Super babait pa and you can really tell na alam nila yung ginagawa nila. Alam mo yun, if mahilig ka talagang magpamassage, you'll feel the difference. Their touch, the pressure, yung flow, ibang level talaga. It's not just relaxing, it's therapeutic. After the therapy, they even served free low-carb drinks and they were so good. Grabe, honestly, itataya ko talaga ang asawa ko dito sa experience na to. Kaya itry nyo na rin. O siya, hanggang dito na lang. Be fit and well in a mindful way. Bye!